In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thank you page on Wix. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along inside your own Wix editor without getting overwhelmed. A thank you page is useful when you want to confirm that a visitor has completed an action, like submitting a form, making a purchase, or signing up for something on your site. It gives your website a more polished and professional feel, and it also reassures visitors that everything worked correctly. To begin, go to your Pages area in the Wix site editor and open your Edit Site view. Once you're inside the editor, look toward the top left corner of the screen and click Add. This is where Wix lets you insert new content and features into your website. After clicking Add, select Pages. In this section, you'll see the options related to creating and managing pages on your site. From there, click Create Blank Page. Choosing a blank page gives you a clean starting point, which is perfect for a simple thank you page because you can build only what you need without any extra layout getting in the way. Once the blank page has been created, you can start customizing it. At this stage, you can simply add elements such as text. For example, you might add a text box and write a short thank you message to let visitors know their action was successful. Something clear and friendly works best here, like a simple confirmation message that matches the tone of your website. If you want your page to feel a little more complete, take a moment to make sure the text is easy to read and positioned neatly on the page. Even with a very basic design, clean spacing and clear wording can make a big difference. The goal is to make the visitor immediately understand that they've reached the correct page. Here is an example approach. You add a text element, place it in the center area of the page, and write your thank you message. That alone is enough to create a functional thank you page in Wix, and that's it. Once your message is in place, you've successfully created a thank you page on Wix. As a quick final tip, keep your thank you page short, clear, and visually consistent with the rest of your website. That way it feels intentional and professional rather than like an afterthought. Thanks for watching. And now you know how to create a thank you page on Wix.